Stihl 550 BR600, which is this device, and the BR700, the carburetor. It's blocked, it's running lumpy. Just there on these are the environmental stops. These prevent the jets from being over enriched, prevents them. It gives a limitation of turn about 200 and 300 degrees. What I've done on the high running jet, because we've had lumpiness, is actually to remove it. It's a very hard plastic. I removed the back half to allow this to be turned. I then wound in, it's about 2 turns, but I've retained the stub so I can see which is 12 o'clock. And then I've unscrewed the jet. I've taken the jet out completely. Over the hole, I'm not removing this jet, over the hole I've then placed a tube attached to a vacuum cleaner, and I've moved it up and down, creating a vortex, and sucked on that for about 30 seconds. Fuel will come out of it, particularly if you decap the fuel tank, so you'll get in effect a flow of fuel coming through the valve hole. I then emplaced into the jet hole a small tube taken from an aerosol lubrication tin, and I've blown in with a bicycle pump air to backflush. So in effect I've backflushed the aperture through to the carburetor and back along the fuel line. This is just the backflushing technique that I've used. I've then replaced the valve, because I've only used the high running valve on this to adjust, repositioned the jet, reinserted the jet, repositioned it and turned it round so that it's 2 turns from fully stopped. Would you believe that actually cured the fault, the lumpiness? These carburetors are very complicated. Avoid dismantling at all costs. The same can be applied to the slow running jet, but the problem was at high running, so that's why I backflushed, vacuumed the main jet, called a high running, and that is on the left.